That moment when you get a brand new expensive phone and suddenly you're terrified to even hold it without a case, that was 100% me with my new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I needed something protective, but I also wanted it to actually look pretty and feminine, not bulky and boring. And I'm so glad I found this one. This is the GVIEWIN magnetic floral case in the cherry blossom deep purple design, and honestly, it is even prettier in person. The floral design is absolutely stunning. It gives that elegant, soft, feminine vibe while still feeling modern and sleek. And I love that the MagSafe ring blends into the design instead of standing out awkwardly. This case is specifically made for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it comes with the floral magnetic case, plus a screen protector included. I didn't need it because I already have one on my phone. It supports wireless charging, magnetic accessories, wallets, car mounts, and MagSafe chargers. It also has reinforced corners, raised screen edges, full camera protection, and military-grade drop protection tested for everyday drops and bumps. One thing I really love is the texture. It has this high-quality material that feels soft and secure in your hand, not slippery like some hard plastic cases. And the fit on my S26 Ultra is perfect. Everything lines up beautifully. If you want a case that's protective without looking bulky or masculine, this is such a good option. It honestly makes my phone feel safer while still looking stylish and expensive. Grab yours today.